Right, ready to go ice fishing?
Yes.
Early this morning?
Yes. I feel like that one was hard and not sweet.
Yeah. All right, we made it. We're on the Lake Cadillac side. Is there anything on it?
Yep. I think.
Get it in. Oh yeah, you got a nice perch. Get it in, get it in. Woohoo, buddy.
Is it a keeper?
Yeah, we'll keep that.
Yeah.
Good job, Archer. First rattle wheel fish. High five. Booyah. We're not skunked. All right, boy.
Ah, yeah. Now we gotta untangle this.
A nice little perch.
Yep.
Archer, once again, the big fisherman of the day, completely out fishing me.
Not completely, because you still have.
I caught one tiny fish today.
Yeah, and I've only caught two, so you're not that far.
Just a little under keeper size. Good job. Good job. All right, a little bit of our setup today. We're starting to pack up. I think we're going to stay a little bit longer. We got our fish finder. There's stuff set up. Brought the table today. We had the heater set up in here.
But it got too hot.
It got too hot.
For me. Not up.
Carry. I got a new 5-pound propane tank and a carrier for it. Pretty neat. And I got to use the new Clam Pro plate with the power drive, an Eskimo bit. All worked out pretty well. All right, topping off the day with bowling. What do you think? Good day?
Yeah.